माय नेम इज़ भरत कुमार। एसएससी सीजीएल 50 डेज़ के क्रैश कोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। हम क्लियर करेंगे करंट अफेयर 6 मंथ्स के, जो सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च आने वाली एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत लाभदायक होंगे। सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पार्ट 1। अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुलमक बिलियनियर इंडेक्स, गौतम अदानी हैज़ बिकम द थर्ड रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन वर्ल्ड। व्हाट इज़ द टोटल नेटवर्थ ऑफ अदानी? आंसर इज़ $137.4 billion. Who has authored the book The Hero of Tiger Hill, Autobiography of a Paramveer? Answer is Yogendra Singh Yadav. Which film won the Best Film in Popular Awards category at the 67th Filmfare Award 2022? Answer is Shershah. The International Day for People of African Descent is observed annually on which day? Answer is 31st August. And fifth question is, name the author of the book Indian Banking in Retrospect, 75 Years of Independence. Answer is Asutosh Raravikar. And question number 6, Abhijit Sen passed away recently. He was dead. Economist. Question number 7, who has won the Best Actor in Popular Award category at the 67th Filmfare Award 2022? Answer is Ranveer Singh. The 50th All Subhang Leela Festival 2021 to 2022 kick off in which state? Manipur. Which state inaugurated a month-long Rajiv Gandhi Rural Olympic Games? Answer is Rajasthan. Who has been elected as the International Treasurer of the Parliamentary Association Conference at the 65th Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Conference? Answer is Anurag Sharma. Question number 11. Which film won the Best Film in Critics Award category at the 67th Filmfare Award 2022? Answer is Sardar Uddham. According to the recent newspaper report, which is working on a new fraud registry, a reporting mechanism of blacklist scammer? Answer is Reserve Bank of India. As per a recent report of Benori Knowledge, India ranks blanks in the global life insurance market. Answer is 10. Who has won the Best Actors in Popular Award category at the 67th Filmfare Award 2022? Answer is Kriti Sanon. Who has won the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award 2022? Answer is Subhas Ghai. Question number 16. Which governing body has announced to launch its new centralized portal called e-Samadhan? Answer is University Grant Commission. And question number 17. Which state government has signed an MOU with the US-based Parle for the oceans on plastic waste management in the state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 18. Jammu and Kashmir Police has launched an online mobile application. Answer is JK ECOP. Question number 19. National Crime Record Bureau has released the accidental death and suicides in India 2021 reports. According to the 2021 reports, which state has the highest number of roads accident death? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 20. In which state Reliance Industry will set up India's first and one of the world's largest carbon fiber plants? Answer is Gujarat. And question number 21. Indian Railway have set up blanks machines at Mumbai station to convert water vapor in air into potable water. Answer is Meghdut. Question number 22. Tata Steel has signed an MOU with which government for setting up a steel plant with scrap-based electric arc furnace? Answer is Punjab. Which bank has signed an agreement with the National Minority Development and Finance Corporation for the development of financial accounting software and mobile application? Answer is ICICI Bank. Question number 24. Which has levied fine on Aadhar Venture India Limited and its directors for violating insider trader rules and listing condition? Answer is SCBI. Nagesh Singh has been appointed as India's next ambassador to which country? Answer is Thailand. Colin de Grandhomme has announced his retirement from international cricket. Which country did he represent? Answer is New Zealand. Which government unveiled a scheme called Mahila Nidhi on Women Equality Day to help them sustain their livelihood? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 28. As per the latest SBI EcoWrap report, India gross domestic product growth rate in the April-June quarter of the ongoing fiscal is expected at 15.7%. Question number 29. Which has topped the list of government departure that did not adhere to Central Vigilance Commission? Answer is Railway Ministry. Question number 30. In India, National Nutrition Week is observed every year from September 1 to 7. Question number 31. World Coconut Day is celebrated on blanks every year. Answer is 2nd September. Question number 32. Which company is not the list of India top 10 most valuable company list in August 2022? Answer is LIC. Question number 33. The All India Council for Technical Education has signed an agreement with which company to accelerate digital creativity skills across India? Answer is Adobe. What is the total GST revenue collected in August 2022? Answer is 1.43 lakhs crore. Question number 35. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the News Service Division of All India Radio? Answer is Dr. Vasudha Gupta. Question number 36. Video assistant referee technology will be used for the first time at the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup. Which country is going to host the FIFA Under-17 World Cup in October 2022? Answer, India. Kartik Aaryan characters called Roo Baba from the movie Blanks is getting a comic books adaptation. Answer is Bhool Bhulaiya 2. Question number 38. Blanks is India's first quadrivalent human papillomavirus vaccine intended to protect women against cervical cancer. Answer is Cervarix. Recently, who was entrusted with an additional charge of chairman and managing director of ONGC for a period of 4 months? Answer is Rajesh Kumar Srivastava. Question number 40. Which edition of Rashtriya Poshan Maah 2022 observed by the nation from 1st September till 30th September? Answer is 5th. Question number 41. Forbes Asia released the second edition of the list titled Forbes Asia 100 to Watch 2022. How many startups company from India feature in the list? Answer is 11. Question number 42. Who has released a book titled Science Behind Surya Namaskar? Answer is Dr. Munjpara Mahendrabhai Kalu Bhai. Okay. Question number 43. Which state celebrated Nokhai festival? Answer is Odisha. Question number 44. The UPI Unified Payment Interface Network processed blank transaction in August worth about rupees 10.73 lakhs crore. Answer is 657 crore. What is the theme of World Coconut Day 2022? Growing coconut for a better future and life. The first edition of the World Health Summit of Pride of Homeopathic Health in which city? Answer is Dubai. Question number 47. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of NHPC? Yamuna Kumar Chaube. Question number 48. According to the RBI data, the All India House Price Index rose by blanks years on year in the first quarter of 2022-2023, 3.5%. Question number 49. Who has won the 2022 Ramon Magsaysay Award in September 2022? Answer is Bernadette J. Madrid. Question number 50. Recently, the Smart Solution Challenge and Inclusive Cities Award 2022 was presented. The award is an initiative of blanks and blanks. Answer is National Institute of Urban Affairs and United Nations in India. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.